Hello friends, I am Rahul Kavande. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, today we are going to start chapter number 5, expansion formulae of standard 8. Now here, in previous standard, we learned some formulas. Now here first formula that we have already learned in last year, that is a plus b bracket square. First term plus second term bracket square. First term plus second term bracket square. What is the expansion of that? First term square. First term square is a square. Sign, which sign is here in between? Plus. Therefore you write plus. First term square plus 2 into first term into second term. 2 multiplied by first term multiplied by second term means 2ab. 2 multiplied by first term multiplied by second term plus second term square, and second term is b. Second term square means b square. Now second, a minus b bracket square, same but here is sign. First term square, a square. Which sign is here? Minus. 2 into first term into second term means 2ab plus second term square, b square. This is expansion of a minus b bracket square. Now third, there are two brackets. See, here are two brackets, a plus b, a minus b. Both the terms are same, a, b. But here in one bracket there is plus sign, and in other bracket there is minus. That is called difference formula. And if it is like this, then expansion is first term square minus second term square. First term square is a square, sign minus compulsory, minus second term square, b square. These three expansions we have learned last year. Now here one activity is given. Use the above formula to fill proper terms in the following boxes. Now we have to use these formulas for this. That is activity. X plus 2y bracket square. First term is x, second term is 2y. Now in middle we have to multiply by 2 and product of first and last. First and second, last means second. Now first term square, x square. Sign here plus. Now here we have to use this 2ab. 2 into first term. 2 into first term is 2x. Into second term 2y. Means 2x into 2y. It is like this, you see. 2ab. Okay. 2 multiplied by what is first term? X. Multiplied by what is second term? 2y. Now if you multiply here, you see 2 2s are 4. And this x into y, xy. This is the middle term. Here we have to write 4xy. Plus second term square. What is second term? 2y bracket square. 2y bracket square. Square of 2, 4. And square of y square. In this way we have used first formula. Now let's see second. 2x minus 5y bracket square. Minus sign is second formula. This formula we have to use. First term square. What is first term? Here. First term square. First term 2x. 2x bracket square. 2x bracket square. 4x square. Minus 2ab. Here. Minus 2ab. 2 into 2. 2 are 4. 4 5s are 20. See. 20xy. Plus second term square. Second term is 5y. 5y bracket square. Means square of both 5 and y also. Square of 5, 25. And square of y square. In this way we used second formula here. A minus b bracket square. Now let's see third. 101 bracket square. But for the expansion we want two terms. First term, second term. Therefore 101 is expanded as 100 plus 1 bracket square. 101 is equal to 100 plus 1. Now first term is 100, second term is 1. Now here we have to put proper numbers in places. Now we have 100. First term square. First term square means 100 square. 100 square 1000. 10,000. 100 square is equal to 10,000 plus second 2AB 2 into A into B, 2 into 100 200, 200 into 1 200 and plus 1 square second term square 1 square. And now by adding this answer, 10,000 plus 200 10,200, 10,200 plus 1 10,201. Therefore your answer is 10,201 by using A plus B bracket square formula. Let's see second, 98 bracket square. 98 again single number, we want two numbers, first term second term. 100, 98 is written as, or 98 is expanded as 100 minus 2. 100 minus 2 bracket square means A minus 2 bracket square. A minus 2 bracket square. First term square 100 square. 100 square 10,000. Here like this. 100 square 10,000 minus sign 2AB, 2 into 100 into 2. 2 into 100 200. 200 2s are 400. Here 400 plus second term square. Second term 2. 2 square 4. And now by doing this last answer, 10,000 minus 400. How much? 10,000 minus 400. 9,600. 9,600. 9,600 plus 4. 9,604. If here 9,604. Which formula is used here? A minus B bracket square. Now fifth. Here are two brackets. First term 5 pm, first term 5 pm, same. Second term 3n, second term 3n, same. In one bracket plus, in second bracket minus. Therefore A plus B, A minus B. A plus B, A minus B. What is the expansion of that? A square minus B square. First term square minus second term square. What is first term then? 5m. Then 5m square. 5m square minus sign second term 3n square. 5m bracket square, here bracket we will do minus 3n bracket square. Now solve this. 5m square 25m square minus 3n square 9n square. In this way we can use the formulas to find the values. Now let's start the main point. First, expansion of x plus a, x plus b. We have to find the formula or expansion of this, but derivation I explain. In example we will use direct expansion. Okay, there we will not derive that. How that expansion is come, then I explain here. But in example you will use directly expansion. Now let's see what is the expansion of this. X plus a is first bracket, x plus b is second bracket, is equal to. Now I start expansion of this. This is binomial by binomial. Binomial by binomial. We will convert it into a monomial by binomial. How? First multiply by first term of first bracket to whole bracket. By first term to whole bracket. X multiplied by whole bracket, x plus b. Now second, this plus a multiplied by again second bracket, x plus b. Now see, it becomes binomial, monomial by binomial. Now let's multiply one by one. X into x. First x into x, sin plus, then x into b. Okay, now here also plus a multiplied by x, sin plus, then a multiplied by b. Now let's solve this product. Write in index form. X into x, x square, plus here xb, no, we will write bx, plus here ax plus ab. Now here is equal to, see, these are two like terms, correct? X square plus, now here what is common in both? X is common, and which are uncommon? A plus B. Therefore A plus B, from here uncommon A, from here uncommon B, therefore in bracket uncommon A plus B and common term out, plus A B means product, and this is the expansion of this. Therefore X plus A, second bracket X plus B is equal to X square plus A plus B in bracket out of bracket X plus AB. This is the expansion of this formula. Now examples based on this. Now here how to remember? Here you see what is common term? X. First you write common term square. Okay, first of all you have to write common term square. Sign plus. In both there is plus, no? Here plus plus plus. After that addition of uncommon. Uncommon are A and B. Here addition of uncommon. In bracket addition of uncommon. Out of bracket common term again. And plus product of uncommon. Product of uncommon. In this way you have to remember that. How to remember? Common term square plus addition of uncommon in bracket out of bracket common term plus product of uncommon. Here in bracket addition of uncommon, at last product of uncommon. In formula, this formula we will use directly, or this expansion we will use directly to solve examples.